Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 9:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms slowly moving across much of the area. Torrential rainfall is accompanying this activity, with a history of rainfall rates around 2 inches within an hour. This amount of rain in a short period of time will lead to flooding. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Willingboro, Riverside, Beverly, Wissinoming, Cackney, Northeast Philadelphia, Holmesburg, Bristol, Bensalem, Andalusia, and Burlington. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Most flood depths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown.